Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between XTB on the left or Freedom24. And before starting this comparison video, I want to make one thing clear, and that is I won't tell you which platform is better. In today's video, I will tell you which platform will fit you the best. So I wrote down 5 topics and will tell you the differences on the platforms, and hopefully after this video you know exactly which platform is the best for you to use. So let's start right here with the main focus on XTB, and the main focus there is CFD and stock investing. The main focus on Freedom24 is global stock and IPO investing. If you look to the best for, with that I mean XTB is the best for active traders and CFD users, where Freedom24 is the best for long-term investors and IPO US stock access. Then if we look right here to the trading tools, XTB has advanced charting, CFDs, stocks and ETFs, and Freedom24 has stocks, ETFs, IPO, access and simple investing tools. If you go to the interface on XTB is that XTB is trader focused and streamlined, and Freedom24 is simple and broker style investing. So it's more like a broker. If you look to the fees and trading costs, XTB has stock ETF trades often zero commission, within limits of course, where the CFDs use spreads plus overnight fees. Then if you look to Freedom24, it's a commission-based pricing that varies by the market and order type. Additional costs may apply for custody and currency conversion, so keep that in mind. So if you ask me, many investors use XTB for active trading, CFDs and commission-free stock ETF investing, within limits of course, and many investors use Freedom24 for global stock investing, IPO access and long-term portfolio building with traditional brokerage fees. So hopefully after seeing this video, you know exactly right now which platform will fit you the best. So for now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.